It is no longer an existential threat for the future. The health impacts of climate change are now.
Congressman Ritchie Torres joins local environmental justice leaders for a press conference addressing health and environmental justice issues facing the South Bronx.
The South Bronx has long been defined by a rich tradition of social services and public health and environmental justice activism.
Environmental justice leaders say Bronx residents can expect to see efforts mitigating pollution in the borough. Improving public health remains a long-time goal for the Bronx, continuously facing some of the worst health outcomes in the state of New York.
Our community residents have a life expectancy 7 to 10 years lower than those who live 2 subway stops away from us.
The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Assistant Secretary Admiral Levine joined Torres in the fight for health equity. Focusing on the effects of climate change, Admiral Levine explains how the introduction of the Inflation Reduction Act will benefit communities affected most by the climate crisis.
The Inflation Reduction Act represents the most significant climate legislation in U.S. history, and it positions America to meet President Biden's bold goals of reaching net zero emissions no later than 2050.
Admiral Levine and Congressman Torres says today's event was just one part of educating Bronxites about the changes coming to the borough to improve health outcomes. Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin, Alleyne.